Hi students, welcome to another mathematics session. This is Elim Kiganjani, and today we are going to solve one question, and this is from National Exam Basic Mathematics Necta 2022, and this is going to be question number 8. So question number 8 has part A and part B. So with part A, it is arithmetic question, and the total marks for part A and part B is 6 marks. So students were supposed to find the sum of first 10 terms with the following details: the 5th and the 11th term of arithmetic progressions, 8 and -34 respectively. Find the sum of the first 10 terms. So with this information, we have to start with the given information, and we were given 5th term of arithmetic progression, A5 is 8, and we were given A11 is -34. So from these two informations, we're going to find actually a common difference, and we are going to find the first term equals to how much, so that later on we are going to find the sum of first 10 terms of the series. So from the nth term of arithmetic progression, from an equals to a1 plus n minus 1 multiplied by common difference d. So from here you can see that a1 is going to be a5 from the general formula we gonna see that a5 equals to a1 plus 4d, and we know that this is equal to 8 already, and a11 is a1 plus 10d, and this is equal to -34. So we are going to solve simultaneously these two given equations. So solving them simultaneously, we are going to be in position to get a1 and common difference d. So with the subtraction here, a1 being subtracted, you get 0. 4d minus 10d, you'll be having -6d. This is equal to 8 minus -34 is going to be actually 42. From here, common difference is going to be 42 divided by -6, which is equal to -7. So we have common difference now equals to -7. And from this equation here, I could substitute common difference equals to -7, so that you have a1 plus 4 times -7 equals to 8, a1 plus -28 equals to 8, and a1 eventually will be 8 plus 28, will be getting 36. So that is a1, and that is common difference. Mind you, we are looking for sum of first 10 terms. So from the general formula of arithmetic progression, sum of first n terms of any given arithmetic progression Sn will be taking n over 2 a1 plus n minus 1 times common difference d. So we are looking for S10 will be 10 over 2 in the bracket 2 times a1, and a1 was 36, plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1 multiplied by common difference, which is -7. You close the bracket. When you proceed here, S10 is going to be 5, because 10 over 2 equals to 5. multiply by 72 plus 10 minus 1, 9. 9 times negative 7 will be negative 63. You open the bracket, you'll be having actually 5 times 72 minus negative minus 63, of course. You will be getting 9, and eventually you're going to have 45. So we're going to conclude that sum of first term of the progression is going to be 45, dear students. So that is solution for question number 4b, 4a. We are going to jump now to 4b. With 4b, we were given it is compound interest equation, the same topic, actually the topic of sequence and series. A school wishes to invest 100 million shilling in a bank which pays an interest rate of 2% compounded annually. Find the total amount of money that will be accumulated after 2 years. If you remember the compound interest concept, starting with given detail, so the principal amount, we can call it P, is going to be 100 million. So that is principal amount. And we are given rate is 2%. And the period of the period of this process is 1 year. The compounding period is 1 year, dear students. A number of years we were given that we're looking for amount after 2 years. So A2 will be how much? Okay, so we are going to use the general formula. The general formula is AN equals to principal. AN equals to principal. So be taking principal multiply by 1 plus RT over 100 exponent n, where n is number of years, p the principal rate is actually the interest rate. So A2 will be equal to principal, which is 100 million, multiply by, in the bracket, 1 plus 2 times 1 over 100 exponent 2. Because the students are allowed to use calculator, so you can plug the details in the calculator. So having 100 million multiply by 1.02 square, eventually you'll be having 104 million 104 million and 40,000 shilling, dear students. So that is amount after we conclude the solution for part 1. That is amount accumulated after 2 years. Part 2, we are looking for interest. Interest after 2 years. Interest, you'll be taking actually A2 minus principal, and in this case we'll be having 104 million and 40,000 shilling. You subtract 100 million. When you subtract, dear students, we'll be getting actually interest will be equal to you'll be getting 40,000 shilling. Sorry, we'll be getting actually 4 million and 40,000 Tanzanian shilling. So that is going to be the interest amount accumulated after 2 years. So this is how actually we are dealing with these kind of questions. And this was solution for question number 8, Necta 2022. So this session serves as a revision to all Form 3 and Form 4 students. If it is your first time to be here, consider subscribing to the channel, but also share your concern. You can even actually give us directives how you want these sessions to be to be prepared so that you're going to benefit more. So until another session, I wish you all the best in your mathematics learning endeavor. Peace.